Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic Introduction to Public Finance. What is public finance? Public finance is the study of how governments collect revenue, allocate it to various sectors, and spend it on public goods and services. It is an essential discipline that helps to shape economic policy. Here are key aspects of public finance: government revenue and expenditures. Governments raise funds through various means, including taxation, fees, fines, and borrowing. Taxation is a primary source of revenue, and it can take the form of income taxes, sales taxes, property taxes, and other levies. Governments allocate funds to different sectors such as education, healthcare infrastructures, defense, and social welfare programs. Budgets are formulated to balance the allocations of resources among completing needs and priorities. Fiscal policy. Governments use fiscal policy to influence the overall economy. This includes adjusting tax rates and government spending to achieve specific economic goals. For example, during an economic downturn, a government might increase spending or reduce taxes to stimulate economic activity. Budgeting. Budget outline the expected revenue and planned expenditures for a specific period. They provide a financial roadmap for the government activities and priorities. Debt management. Governments often borrow money to finance projects or address budget shortfalls. Public debt management involves careful considerations of borrowing terms, interest rates, and the impact on future budgets. Public goods and services. Government provides public goods and services that may not be efficiently provided by the private sector, such as national defense, public safety, and basic infrastructure. Redistribution of income through taxation and welfare programs. Governments aim to address income inequality and provide a safety net for vulnerable populations. Economic stabilization. Public finance is used to stabilize the economy by managing inflation, unemployment, and overall economic growth. Policy valuation. Analysts in public finance assess the effectiveness of government policies in achieving their intent objectives. Transparency and accountability. Public finance requires transparency in financial reporting and accountability for the use of public funds to ensure public trust. Thank you. Appreciate for your attention for introduction to public finance. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.